I'm going to demonstrate this 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi smart power strip by Foseal. It's Wi-Fi enabled, and so you can control it from your phone. And I just want to show you. Use the 2 app, and then you press on the smart power strip. This is where you can control it. Now you can turn off the whole thing by hitting this and turn it back on. There you go. And then you can operate each switch individually. Can you see that? I'm going to turn this off right here. It turns off the light. Now this comes in handy for when you're not somewhere and you want to make sure something's turned off. So let's say you went somewhere and said, did I turn off the candle warmer? You can say, oh, it's turned on, right? So you just turn it off from anywhere. And you can also set alarms. So on this switch number 3, I have an alarm set up so it'll go off at 10 p.m. every day, so I know it's not left on at night. Anyway, this is a nice little setup, well built, solid, and intelligent. Again, it's the Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip by Foseal. Thank you.